Today we have a tour for WPC profile extrusion machine. First we start with raw material. To make this WPC profile, what kind of raw material we use? Let me show you. Here, all chemicals you can see. You will need PVC resin, active calcium carbonate, stabilizer, CPE, ACR, paraffin, stearic acid, titanium dioxide. You can buy them from your local chemical market. There are different brands, different chemical manufacturer, their brands will be different. This is foaming agent. This PE wax. This mixer automatic loader. This mixer we use for test machine only. This conical twin screw extruder capacity is about 180 kilograms per hour. We use servo motor, make production line more stable.
the pain I feel inside, but it's eating me alive. I've lied for you, like dreamers do. I'll scrounge my pay just to keep you in my veins, slowly fade away and turn to blue, like dreamers do, like dreamers do. Dreamers do, like dreamers do.
We have over 16 years producing experience. If you are interested with our machines or you want to start new business, please contact us. And you can subscribe my channel. I will keep updating more information about machines know-hows. Thank you.